the East of Eden for putting on a wonderful cat show. Yay. Everybody's getting ready to go to the awards ceremony this evening. I want to thank Bruce for doing a wonderful job and Carrie for doing a great job. She's gone. Yeah. This is count. Count is 29. Wow.
Nice count.
We have this cute little thing that she's primping over here. Oriental long hair. Nice long body, long tail. Good wedge head, large ears. Today she's our 10th best long hair. Wonderful large ragdoll class. This is our second breed ragdoll. Pretty little thing. Nice body, nice head type, nice oval eyes. Medium ears. Nice best. Again, just a killer Maine Coon class. This big black boy was one of 3, and he was our best, our second best Maine Coon. Long body. He's a horse. Nice tall ears. Good muzzle. It's so hard to see a black cat. He's got. He is our great best. And then we had an American curl, a couple American curls. This is our best of breed American curl. Nice long body. The ears pointed towards the back of the head here. Real nice. Little tips. 7th best kitten. This Himalayan. Nice. Look at those nice big round eyes. Beautiful break here in the head. Little round ears, round face. 6th best kitten. Couple of Japanese bobtail kittens.
In the corner being back.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my God.
Beautiful equilateral triangle. Nice short little bobtail. Very pretty color, beautiful claws, which doesn't have much to do with it, but they're pretty. 5th best. Norwegian forest cat. Little tiny thing. This Maine Coon over here is upsetting her a little bit. She's beautiful. Got a nice straight profile, nice triangular head shape. 4th best kitten. And speaking of our best Maine Coon, this pretty boy, who's looking for the girls already, is learning it. He is good long body, very, very wild look about him, nice or feral look about him. Ears high on the head, good square muzzle type, 3rd best kitten. Young Siberian female. Very good body type, nice, round, short, round head, roundish ears, round eyes. 2nd best kitten. Yay! Oh, and we saved the best for last. And our best of breed ragdoll. She's a very nice girl, nice oval eyes, good head type, good body on her, nice boning. Today she's our best long hair kitten. Yay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.